You are the first female actor who has been honored with a festival. We had people like Amitabh Bachchan who had been honored by festival. So when you think about that, is it believable, or how grateful do you feel, or what did you feel? Did you talk to Saif about it, saying that I can't believe it? How does it feel?
He was extremely happy. He wants to come and watch all the films. He's excited to come. He said, and he loves coming to to PVR and watching movies. And he actually watches most films on Fridays. So when I told him about this, he was very excited. So he wants to do Omkara and Ashoka for sure. So, I mean, but coming back to your question, I'm just happy that people will get to watch these movies. And obviously, I feel so excited, honored, everything that, I mean, sometimes it's like, I don't know, I have to still figure out what's going to happen for the next 25. That's the scary part. I never looked at myself as just, a brand. I want people to watch my work, my films, and I want people to know that I was, and that I am an actor who's very, very, passionate about her job. An actor who's been very, very loved by her fans, because I am where I am after 25 years. To be here is only because of them, because their loyal support and their love. And I'm actually, I think my connect is with that. People like to see me in those roles because there is a connect to the masses. Somehow they feel that that's why roles like, Pooh or Geet have always been, them mouthing those dialogues or saying that. So there is that, connect which I really appreciate. And I don't know how, but yeah, I mean, I'm planning the next 25, hopefully, for it to have more films that will, play here in the cinemas and people will enjoy it in different roles. After इतने सालों बाद, इतने सारे कैरेक्टर्स करने के बाद, अगर एक्टर्स ब्रेव चॉइसेस नहीं ले पाते हैं और अलग फिल्म्स नहीं कर पाते हैं, तो आई थिंक दे कांट जस्ट बी नोन एज कि अगर मैं जिंदगी भर सिंघम और क्रू में काम करूं, तो आई थिंक वो यू ऑल्सो वॉन्ट टू डू थिंग्स डिफरेंटली. वो टू लास्ट 25 ईयर्स एक ही टाइप की फिल्म में हम नहीं काम कर सकते हैं. अलग अलग फिल्म काम करने में वो एक लॉन्जिटिविटी, एक रास्ता देता है, एक ऑक्सीजन टैंक जैसे बनता है. एंड आई थिंक फॉर अ फिल्म लाइक, मैंने चमेली, आई डिड इट in my career at the age of 22. I think nobody thought, तब सब कह रहे थे कि नहीं, करीना नहीं कर पाएगी ऐसी टाइप की फिल्म. And for that time, it did so well. So I think that at this stage in my career, it's also important कि अलग अलग किरदार करना ज़रूरी है. कि करीना ये भी कर सकती है, वो भी कर सकती है. At the same time, गीत जैसे रोल्स ही नहीं कर सकती हूँ मैं. I can't only keep doing गीत all my life. जैसे मैंने कहा कि आधी जिंदगी ऐसी ही चली गई. पहले 10 साल के लोग समझते थे कि ये गीत ही है. अब ये पूर्ण टाइप के ही रोल्स. तभी तो then people were just offering me those kind of roles. तो अगर if I had picked every role like that, I think आज ये फेस्टिवल नहीं होता, क्योंकि वो रोल would not have been part of pop culture. अगले 25 साल करने की ताकत है कि अलग अलग रोल्स. कुछ फिल्में 100 करोड़ हो, 500 करोड़ हो, बट कुछ फिल्में अगर कुछ लोग भी देखें और तारीफ करें, आई थिंक वो उससे दिल खुश भी हो जाता है कि ऑडियंस इज देयर टू वॉच दिस काइंड ऑफ फिल्म.